How's it going, everyone? I'm Louis Crypto. Welcome back to another BNB video. So today's a bit of a weird one. Market is down apart from BNB. So I have noticed a pattern in the past where Binance will sell other tokens and pump it into their own coin. I mean, if the market does decide to come down a little bit lower, coming from my Bitcoin video and my Ethereum video, we mentioned ETH is at a key level of resistance. And once that is broken, altcoin season will begin. But until then, bears are going to try and protect that as much as possible. And Bitcoin actually coming back down to test the reversal wave to see if it is truly support. This can, of course, lead the market to come down. And that's what we're seeing today with some coins down 5%. But Binance sticking out, it's green. And I've just mentioned the most likely reason. Anyways, if market does continue low, this won't just keep going up, is my assumption. And we'll back that up by showing some key levels of resistances today and potential future targets. So this is one fib we can place. We can see that there is an attempt today. It's just been tested for the first time, this 2 Fibonacci. And if you follow me long enough or have learnt my strategy through my mentorship or ebook, this is a very key resistance here. It's a resistance area. So it can, of course, continue into the 1.5K area. In fact, this is what I was talking about in yesterday's video. So we're coming closer to those targets, but a rejection can come first, pull back, and have another chance at going up and hitting that target. We can place another fib on this other correction from 2024. It was the majority of the year. And there's some overlap now showing that this truly is a key level of resistance. It's dissected it, not just as one area, but as a few separate ones here. So anywhere between 1.5 to 1.6 now, instead of just 1.5. So we look at that as a target area, and then here as an area of resistance as well. So with Bitcoin and Ethereum looking weak today, if that continues, we know Binance will, of course, pull back from here. Because the last high is at 1K, we're assuming that will maintain because the previous resistance, once broken, should now act as support. So I'm not really expecting it to go lower than 1,000. It's also a psychological level. I think it's done with that. Unless there's extreme weakness and Bitcoin and ETH don't reverse from where I'm expecting and where I showed in those updates. So go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. So that's about it from me today. If Bitcoin and ETH very quickly reverse and break their resistances, you're going to see Binance continue to pump into 1.5 to 1.65K, and then we'll look further beyond that when the time comes. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you want to learn the strategy, links in the description. I'll see you over there.